the family's perfect dessert. Pour milk into a bowl. Soak the ladyfingers in milk. Place a layer of ladyfingers on the plastic wrap. Pour milk into the saucepan. Crack eggs into a bowl. Mix the eggs with sugar. Add starch, flour, vanilla essence, a little milk. Mix well until homogeneous. Pour the mixture into the saucepan. Boil the pastry cream, stirring continuously until it thickens. Spread the ladyfingers with a layer of cream. Place a layer of sour cherries from compote on the cream. Roll into a tight log. Place another layer of ladyfingers soaked in milk. Spread the ladyfingers with pastry cream. Add sour cherries from compote. Roll tightly to the end. Place the roll vertically in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Unwrap from the plastic wrap. Pour whipping cream into the bowl. Mix until it becomes firm. Coat the cake on all sides with whipped cream and chill for 2 hours. Put ice in the cup. Crumble the Oreo cookies into the glass. Crush the cookies finely. Pour in milk and mix. Pour into the cup. Add coffee. Decorate the cake with Nutella. Place sour cherries from compote over the Nutella. With a special look and vertical layers, lots of smooth cream and tangy sour cherries, this cake will win you over forever.